Reduction formula for integration from 0 to pi by 2 of sin raised to mx and into cos raised to nx with respect to x. Here m is sin raised to mx and cos raised to nx. When m is even and n is even, both even, m and n even असतील तर काय फॉर्म्युला असेल? Integration from 0 to pi by 2 of sin raised to mx into cos raised to nx with respect to x is the m plus n at the denominator, m plus n minus 2, m plus n minus 4 up dash dash, and at the numerator m minus 1, m minus 3, m minus 5 dash dash, and 3 upon n plus 4 into 1 upon n plus 2. हा एक पार्ट असेल आणि दुसरा पार्ट काय असेल? n at the denominator and n minus 1, n minus 1 upon n minus 3 upon n minus 2 up to 3 by 4, 1 by 2. Finally we get this n minus 2, n minus 4, n minus 6 प्रत्येकातून 2 2 न कमी सबट्रॅक्ट करत जाऊ आणि ॲट द न्युमरेटर n minus 1, n minus 3 and n minus 5, and finally we get 3 by 4, 1 by 2 and pi by 2. This gives the integral of this. Case 1, m is even, and that is for m and n both are even. Now m is even and n is odd. त्यावेळेस काय असेल? इट रिड्युसेस टू m minus 1 upon m plus n into m minus 3 upon m plus n minus 2 dot m minus 5 upon m plus n minus 4 dash dash up to 1 upon n plus 2 into n minus 1 upon n into n minus 3 upon n minus 2 into n minus 5 upon n minus 4 dash 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 up to 2 by 3. इथं 2 पार्ट्स करता येतील आपल्याला. फर्स्ट पार्टमध्ये m प्लस ॲट द डिनोमिनेटर m प्लस n minus 2, n minus 4, n minus 6, and finally at 1 upon n plus 2. At the numerator m minus 1, m minus 3, m minus 5 सक्सेसिव्हली 2 कमी करत जाऊ न्युमरेटरमधून आणि डेनोमिनेटरमधून. आणि दुसऱ्या पार्टमध्ये n ॲट द डिनोमिनेटर n minus 2, n minus 4 up to 3. At the numerator n minus 1, n minus 3, n minus 5, n minus 7 up to 2. Taking together we get the integration of this when m is even and n is odd. And next case, thus we have seen m is even, n is even, m is even and n is odd. And next, if m is odd, then n is even or odd, doesn't matter. If m is odd, then whatever be the n, even or odd, there is only one formula. Okay, m plus 1, m plus n minus 2 at the denominator, m plus n minus 4 up to n plus 3 and next n plus 1. Here m minus 1, m minus 3, m minus 5 up to 2 upon n plus 3, 1 upon n plus 1. आता आपण एक्झाम्पल्स बघू. एक्झाम्पल बेस्ड ऑन m is even and n is odd, both are even. That is integration from 0 to pi by 2 of sin raised to 8x into cos raised to 10x dx. m is here 8 and n is here 10. m plus n, m is 8, n is 10. m plus n, 10 plus 8 plus 10, 18. And here is the 18 minus 2, 18 minus 4, 18 minus 6. ठीक है. At the numerator m is that 8 minus 1, 8 minus 3, 8 minus 5, 8 minus 7. हा पार्ट आपण नंतर बघू. आता हे काय येतं बघू. 7, 5, 3, 8 minus 7, 1. Here is the 18, 16, 14 and 12. आता इथं बघा, आपण इथून ॲट द डिनॉमिनेटरला काय केलं, m प्लस n, आणि त्यातून 2 सबट्रॅक्ट केलं. इथंपर्यंत आलो 18 minus 6, दॅट इज द 12. आणि ते 8 minus 1, 8 minus 3, 8 minus 1, 7 केल्यानंतर 1 येतं. 1 नंतर आपण सबट्रॅक्ट करू शकत नाही, 1 upon 12. आता हे कुठंपर्यंत आहे? लास्ट टर्म काय आहे जी 1 upon n plus 2, दॅट इज द 1. n इज द हिअर 10, 10 plus 2, म्हणजे दिस इज द लास्ट 1 upon n plus 2. These are the 4 terms. Now for this part, n is the 10, n minus 2 is the 8, n minus 4 6, 6 minus 2 is the 4, 4 minus 2 is the 2. At the last pi by 2. Here is the n is the 10, n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1 9, 9 minus 2 7, 7 minus 2 5, 5 minus 3 5 minus 2 3, 3 minus 2 1. At the last pi by 2. This is the integration of this. And simplifying this, we get 7. Here is the 7, 7, and here is the 7 get cancelled, 2 remaining. Here is the 3, and here is the 3 get cancelled, 4 remaining. Here is the 9, 1, 9 get cancelled, 2 remaining. 3 get cancelled, here is the 2 remaining. Thus only 7, 5, 5. And there is a 5 and 7 remaining. This 5 also get cancelled, 5 into 2. 7, 5, 35 on all the remaining 2 raised to 17. That is the answer of integration from 0 to pi by 2 of sin raised to 8x into cos raised to 10x dx equal to 35 pi upon 2 raised to 17. Next example, evaluate integration from 0 to pi by 2 of sin raised to 4x into cos raised to 2x dx and show that it is the pi by 32. Here m is the 4 and n is the 2. Both are the even. फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला माहिती आहे, एम प्लस एन एम प्लस एम मायनस 1 अपॉन एम प्लस एन इंटू एम मायनस 3 अपॉन एम प्लस एन मायनस 2 up to 3 upon n plus 4 into 1 upon n plus 2. In the next part, n minus 1 upon n minus 3 upon n minus 2 up to 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Here is the m4 n equal to 2. M plus n is, that is the 4 plus 6. 6 minus 2 6 and 6 minus 2 is the 4. And here is the m is the 4 minus 1 3 and 4 minus 3 1. आता ह्याच्या पुढं आपण इथंपर्यंतच घेऊ शकतो, कारण 4 minus 1 1 1पासून आपण 2 वजा करू शकत, त्यामुळे इथं थांबू, हा पार्ट इथं. आणि हे काय 1 अपॉन n प्लस 2. n किती आपलं 2 आहे. 2 plus 2 that is the 4. 1 upon n plus 2 that is the 1 upon 2 plus 2 that is the 4. That is the this term, and this is the 3 upon n is the 2. 2 plus 4 6, that is the 3 by 6. And next part is this n minus 1. n is the here 2, n minus 1 is the 1, that is the this term of the in the formula, and then last term is the pi by 2. Thus we get 3 by 6, 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and pi by 2. 3 get cancelled, 2 remaining, pi upon 2, 2, 2 and 4, that is the 32. Next, evaluate integration from 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to 10x into cos raised to 8x. Here is the m is the 10 and n is the 8. M plus n is the 18, 18 minus 2, 18 minus 4, 18 minus 6 and 18 minus 8. इथं का थांबलो आपण, हा 10 आहे. 10 minus 1 9, 10 minus 3 7, 10 minus 5 5, 10 minus 7 3, 10 minus 9 1. इथं आपल्याला याच्या पुढं जाता येत नाही, त्यामुळं 18, 18 minus 2, 18 minus 4, 18 minus 6 आणि 18 minus 8ला आपण स्टॉप केला. आणि त्या फॉर्म्युलेमध्ये इथं काय 1 upon n plus 2. n is the here 8 and 2. 8 plus 2 is the 1 upon 10. आणि इथं काय n minus 1 upon n minus 2, n minus 4. आता n किती आहे 8. 8, 8 minus 2 6, 6 minus 2 4, 4 minus 2. Minus 2 is the 2. And here is the n minus 1 is the 7, 7 minus 2 is the 5, 5 minus 2 is the 3 and 3 minus 2 is the 1. At the last pi by 2. After simplifying this, we get the solution of this. Next, integration from 0 to pi by 2 of sin raised to 8x into cos raised to 8x dx. When m and n both even, m minus 1 upon m plus n into m minus 3 upon m plus n minus 2, m minus 5 upon m plus n minus 4 dash dash up to 3 by n plus 4 and into 1 upon n plus 2. In the next part, n minus 1 upon n minus 3 upon n minus 2 up to 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Here is the m is the 8 and n is the 8. 8 प्लस आहे 16 मायनस आता 8 आहे 8 मायनस 1 8 मायनस 3 8 मायनस 5 8 मायनस 7 8 मायनस 7 1 आलं इथं 3 आणि इथं 5 आणि इथं 7. आता 8 प्लस 16 मायनस 2 14 16 मायनस 4 12 16 मायनस 6 10 इथं 1/n+2 आहे. n इज द 8 प्लस 2 10 1/10 ही इथंपर्यंत आला. आणि नेक्स्ट पार्ट n इज द 8 मायनस 1 7 8 मायनस 2 6 मायनस 2 4 मायनस 2 2 आणि 7 मायनस 2 5 मायनस 2 3 मायनस 2 1 आणि ह्या दोन्ही इव्हन असतील तर लास्टला काय असेल π/2. near 5 after simplification we get 35/2 raised to 16. ठीक आहे.